How's it going, YouTube? T-Man here from T-Man's Reviews, and today I'm opening up a Dschlzy Microphone. I honestly have no idea if that's how you pronounce it. Just gave it my best shot. So let's open this up and try to set it up. User guide. It's like a USB cord for the microphone. A little filter to put in front of the microphone. Ooh, and all sorts of goodies. Where should we start? Whatever this is, looks like it might hold the microphone. It's like foam padding. Does this go over the microphone maybe? Wow, like a glove. Okay, so all right, and here we have the arm that is going to, I think, clamp to the desk and hold the microphone. So might have it somewhere over here, somewhere over here. We'll decide later. All right, and last but not least is the clamp itself. So let's go ahead and move the box out of the way and start putting this together. All right, so the first page of our little booklet just tells us everything that was in the box. I think everything is accounted for. So that is step one, is just making sure everything's in the box. Step two, we're gonna fix the clamp on the edge of the table. Okay, so I guess I have to decide where I want this guy right now. Yeah, I'm not really sure. There's a lot more space on this side of my desk, but we're gonna have to plug it in via USB at some point, so it might be better on this side, and maybe I can just push my monitors and everything else over. So let's go ahead and screw it on this side. All right, step two is complete. It's clamped to the desk. All right. Step three, insert the foot base of the adjustable microphone stand into the table clamp. Just slides right in there. Okay. All right, and then the next step is just to tighten it up using this little knob on the end. So, oh yeah, it tightens up really quick. All right, just tighten it up a little bit more because it was a little shaky. Step five, we're going to screw the shock mount onto the threaded end microphone stand. So, shock mounts. Alright, it's pretty solidly screwed on there. Okay, step 6, we're going to insert the microphone into the microphone clip. Okay, just got to line it up correctly and then it fits very snugly in there. Okay. And last but not least, step 7, we are going to fix the filter on the microphone stand, and we are going to fix this clamp on the arm of the microphone itself. I think. Let's look at these directions again. Okay, we are putting it on the arm, just not both little bars of the arm. We're just gonna do it on one bar, I believe. So let's try that. Right, that feels pretty tight on there. I guess I'm gonna have it like this. Looks pretty official. So the next step, I am going to plug it in and hopefully compare my old headset, which is right here on my old microphone, and then test it with the new microphone and see if there's a big difference. Alright, so here I am, still using my headset microphone, and you know, it's not a bad microphone. It seems to pick up my voice pretty easily. My issue with it was the sound of the clicks. So I'm really hoping this new microphone can kind of cancel out or drown out some of that noise. So let me go into the control panel in sound settings. And I think that's good for this headset audio. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the microphone. Hello, hello. Nice. Alright, that's pretty cool. So, because my mic is just picking up my default microphone, as soon as I plug this, gosh, what is it called? What is this called? This Dschlzy Microphone in, the PC recognized it immediately, and so did Streamlabs, so I didn't even have to mess with any settings on the inside. Hello, hello. Seems like the mic is able to pick me up from pretty far away. Hello, hello. Yeah. I can even get up close and just whisper, "Hello, welcome to T-Man's channel, T-Man's Reviews, glad to have you here." Pretty cool, pretty neat look, looks official, and it'll definitely help me while I am trying to fake it till I make it over here. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of the sound of the new microphone. Is there any improvement? I mean, I'm not sure if there will be, so that'll be interesting to check out later. But if it sounds good and you think it might be a good addition to your setup, check out the links below. And I will see you next time, guys. Thank you.